Welcome to DecisionLender by TCI. DecisionLender 4 is a complete loan origination system for credit unions, banks, and finance companies, which simplifies the entire origination process. Everything from credit application entry to document preparation and electronic signing. Our direct lending module enables lenders to accelerate loan processing, retrieve reports, and customize workflows in real time. It also enables lenders to manage direct, indirect, and online applications loan origination workflows from a single platform. Improve your workflow by easily configuring loan types and application screens to ensure familiarity and ease of use, all without IT resources. Upload rate sheets with ease, edit them, and/or create new ones. Direct lending on DecisionLender 4 increases efficiency for your underwriters by utilizing several powerful tools. E-signature, which allows for speedy and convenient finalizing of documents and is optimized for desktop, tablet, and mobile use. Document generation and a customizable rules engine will pre-select the defined documents that belong to a specific loan type, as well as include any ancillary forms or insurance products needed. Cross-sell to offer your customers additional products throughout the entire lending process, thereby increasing your wallet share with the applicant. By selecting the applicant portfolio within DecisionLender 4, you can run searches on previous lending transactions or existing customers to review all cross-sell opportunities. Powerful reporting and analytical tools, plus a report scheduler designed to send you reports at any designated time. In addition, these great features can be modified without developer coding by using our highly customizable object model. Simply drag and drop pre-configured objects to your rules, classifications, documents, and more. And with our open API, we can connect easily with any third-party software to increase efficiency or utilize new tools for underwriting. Direct lending on DecisionLender 4 is as fast and reliable as our indirect lending platform. By utilizing tools designed to improve the underwriting experience, you can compete successfully online or in branch by utilizing DecisionLender 4 for direct lending.